In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. This process is convenient and straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll be confidently adding your signature to any PDF document you need. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the PDF file you need to sign in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you've got Adobe Acrobat Reader up and running, locate the PDF file on your computer and open it just as you would any other document. With your PDF open, you're ready to start signing. Now, direct your attention to the right pane of the window or the top toolbar, either works fine, and select Fill and Sign. If you don't see it right away, you can also navigate to Tools and then click on Fill and Sign. This feature is specifically crafted to make this process seamless and user-friendly. With the Fill and Sign toolbar now open, the next step is to click on Sign. Sometimes you might see it labeled as Add Your Signature. This opens up a few fantastic options for you in creating your signature. You have three choices when it comes to how you'd like your signature to appear. The first option is to type your name, where Adobe Acrobat will then convert it into a signature style. This option is great if you prefer a clean and digital-looking signature without hassle. The second option is to draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad. It might take a bit of practice, but it allows for a unique signature that mirrors your handwritten style. Lastly, if you already have a handwritten signature stored as an image, you can upload this directly into the document. Picking one that feels right for you will ensure authenticity and consistency across your documents. Once you have created your signature using one of these methods, click Apply. At this point, hover over the area of the PDF where you need your signature to be and click once more. The signature will appear right there, ready for final adjustments. Feel free to move it around or resize it to better fit the space. Adobe Acrobat Reader allows for easy drag-and-drop adjustments to make sure it looks just right. Finally, after positioning your signature to your satisfaction, it's important to save the document to ensure your changes are captured. Simply head over to the File menu and choose Save or Save As to preserve your signed PDF. This action embeds your signature and locks it in place, making sure it appears just as you intended every time you or someone else opens it. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully signed your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. This skill is sure to save you time and hassle, providing a reliable way to handle digital signing needs effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more ways Adobe Acrobat Reader can streamline your document tasks.